This segment is sponsored by Power Swabs.
Today we got a very special show for you. Our friend Jeff is here to show us an easy way to look younger, healthier, and feel more confident. Sounds like a heck of a deal. Welcome to the show, Jeff.
Thanks, David. I appreciate it. Yeah, it is a heck of a deal. That's what we all want. We all want to look younger. We want to feel better.
Oh, absolutely. And you have something important, a test that you'd like to share with our viewers about their smile. Tell me about that.
Yeah, it is a test. It's a game that we've all played growing up. It's called Would You Rather, where we asked a panel of people how much more attractive a person is with a wider smile. Now, we digitally altered these two pictures to replicate the typical stains caused by drinking coffee, which we all love, especially me, tea or red wine for that 5 o'clock hour. And you can see right there that, let me ask you, what do you think it looks better?
It's pretty obvious, yeah. The clean white smile is one of the first things you see on a person. And we're talking about Power Swabs today. So my question about the use of it, is it really easy and quick to use?
It is. It's very easy and quick to use. And that's what a lot of people might not think is like, well, I got to keep it in for a couple hours. I got to use this for a long period of time. It is so easy. It's really 5 minutes. And you have... It's a two-step process is what it is, and I'll show you. The packaging right here, it's very easy packaging, gives you step-by-step on the back, but right inside, it's a two-step process. You're going to go ahead and break this vial open. You're going to rub this onto your teeth here for 2 minutes, and it's super, super easy. And the first thing that you're going to notice is that it's going to lift the stains. As we're not going to cover up the stains, we're lifting the stains in that first process. And more importantly, you're hydrating the teeth because the last thing that you want is sensitivity issues. The second step is the whitening agent. Same thing. You're going to go ahead and crack it right open. You're going to rub this on your teeth for 2 minutes, and that's it. You're done. 5 minutes, you're going to get up to 2 shades whiter. This is a 7-day process. After 7 days, up to 6 shades whiter. It's crazy.
That is a heck of a deal. My goodness. And we saw the before and after on the video, the pictures that you said. Yellow teeth can make you look old. Is that right?
Yes, I mean, it can make you look older, even unhealthy. You know, people spend a fortune on looking good. You can go to the doctor, you can get rid of those wrinkles, but if your teeth are still yellow, that's what people are still going to see. Power Swabs is a revolutionary new product that can whiten your teeth in just 5 minutes, visibly taking years off your appearance. And you know, I got to say, and not just with yourself as an individual, but even family as well. I have a 19-year-old son, and these days, getting any 19-year-old, any teenager motivated about anything in life, whether it's getting a job, getting a girlfriend, anything, and you know his self-esteem, it's been down.
You're absolutely right.
You know, as a dad, I don't know how to fix
We're
that
impatient. All of us are impatient. It seems like we're always waiting for the results. We need it now. It makes sense to try something that's going to show results from the very first use right away.
Absolutely. Very first use. That's what you want. People spend hours in the gym, hundreds of dollars on diets and weight loss pills just to look and feel better about themselves. You know, don't get me wrong. You know, losing weight, everything is great, but it's not that quick fix that you're looking for. With a smile, a bright white smile, you can get that again, 5 minutes.
So Jeff, where can we go for more information about Power Swabs?
Power Swabs. Well, right now we have a great deal for your viewers. 50% off. I've seen 30, I've seen 40% off of Power Swabs. Never 50. 50% off for your viewers right now. Dial 1-800-204-1094 on your screen. It'll be on there. And right now, also what you can do is you're going to also get this maintenance pin. It is a stain stick. So it's maintenance. Anytime you're after that 7-day period, you're drinking wine, you're going out, and you want to get rid of those stains on the go, keep it in your pocket, keep it in your purse, put this on your teeth, and it'll maintain that healthy smile.
Well, thanks for bringing the smile to us today, Jeff. We appreciate your time. Take care. Have a great day.
Thanks, David.